Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are making these beautiful and magnificent golden earrings. So let's start the video. I am using this golden wire, some glass rods and beads that I keep in this handmade box. Link of this multi-section box is in the description box. Pass a thin wire from the hole of cylindrical glass rod, then through the red bead. Now repeat the process and pass the same wire through another glass rod and bead. By continuing these steps, you will have 3 glass rods and 3 beads in the wire that will lead you to the formation of a triangle. Tie the wire firmly so that the triangle does not lose its shape. Now pass another rod through the wire and after that insert your earring hook. Now pass the wire through the hole of the bead and then through the cylindrical rod. Now I am adding the tassel, but this step is totally optional. You can also skip the tassel if you don't like big jewelry. My theme is golden and red, but you can use any theme according to your choice. Now I am passing the wire through the glass rod and tightening it. If you find this step-by-step description useful, then subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video. Now fix the wire along the earring hook and cut off the excess wire with the help of a cutter. Now use long nose plier to close the hoop of the earring hook. Don't forget to fix the other end of the wire and to cut off the excess part. That's all you have to do to make your own DIY super cute glass rod earrings. Bye till the next video. Be good and explore yourself. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel for more videos and crafts.